Have you ever been working in Google Sheets when one or more of your dates disappear and instead you have numbers? And it's usually going to be something like 45,000, whatever. So, what happened is that your dates got turned into numbers. So, how do you fix it? So, we can just select this entire column, go up here to formats, and then select date. And there are our dates back again. So the reason why this happens is dates are actually numbers. And so we can convert this back to numbers. And that's what the dates actually are. So we're just displaying them as a date. And so that's why there's a lot of confusion. And this can actually work the other way. You might enter 45,000, something like this, and then it might actually get turned into a date. And so if you have numbers missing, it may have been the reverse and it's actually just formatted as a date. So in the new tables, a lot of this has been resolved because you can explicitly type each column. So you can select date and type it like that. And so what's kind of confusing is when you have numbers, it doesn't want to convert them. So in this case, you can convert back and forth, right? So I have them as date. I can go back to numbers, go back to dates, and it works fine. Now, in a table, it doesn't like to work like that. It wants it to be one or the other first. And so, if you have that issue, revert to unformatted data and then select that column again and format it to what you need. So, if you need it as a date, you can do that. And now you can come back and then we're going to convert this back to a table. And now you can see we have our date just like that, and it works fine. And again, if we try to change it back to a number, it's going to show us this error because when you do these tables, it's explicitly reading these as either a date or number, not both.